room, he was not in the bed. So I was really afraid. But his mother was standing there and smiling. I asked her, what is he? He went to bathroom. This man could not go to bathroom. He was just lying there. Everything is in the bed. He cannot even speak properly. Then I said, why you people took him to... He said, nobody took, he went. So I waited, but this man came out. And he put a stool and sat near me and started talking to me. I said, go and lie down. Because sometimes he will feel vertigo. 2 doses. When the body is absolutely pure, he did not get even water for some time. Then I gave this ghee, then I changed it into a khala with some powder. And I asked them to make rice water and mix this thing in that and give little by little. It's the only food. With that, there is no bleeding. And when this kashayam, 2 doses came, the pain stopped, he became all right. Next day morning, there was a big jubilation. The nurse came and said, he is sitting and talking. All the doctors came. And then they told me something is happening. They said something is happening. Then they said, we will give a small quantity of steroid and send him out. Now he is perfectly all right. This is in 2005 or 6. Why I said all these things is, conditioning of the Srotas is very important. Now, with Dadimadi Grisam, how it stopped? How the bleeding stopped? Can you imagine? I never gave Dadimadi Grisam any bleeding. His large intestine, several times inflamed, healed, is totally fibrotic, wood-like. So it is not accepting anything. You give any steroid, any antibiotic, anything to stimulate, it won't accept. But in such a pure body, with a long fasting, when you give the ghee, that also if you give it all together, it will make problem. Smearing. You see, Kasa Chikilsa. Kasa Chikilsa explains what's the difference between giving ghee and giving it to smear. Kasa Chikilsa it is. This is how we say pick away from everyone. Because here, this is what I say, Kasa is not cup. His pain is the spasm, strong spasm. There is no good medicines in modern medicine, for spasm. There's no. That MMC man, Dr. Shivaraman, is the man who first brought geriatric surgery in India. We had a plan to make Ayurveda and allopathy together surgery. In that, surgery they will do, painkiller they will do, anesthetics they will do, spasm and healing we do. They don't have antispasmodic. We have the best antispasmodic. Any spasm we can control. Any spasm. That's why in neurological diseases our treatment is wonderful. Any type of spasm we can control. So this is spasm. Kasa Chikitsa you refer, it is there. Why you give little. All these things we must understand. When we read each word, we must say why it is that. What is that? Why it is that? That's why people were keeping it in the mind and always discussing it. Some people say your science is not growing. Our science will never grow. It will go deep. Mathematics never grew. The whole mathematics in 120 pages I can write. Whole mathematics in 120 pages I will write. Nothing more is there. Same way there are only the diseases from Jara to Vasarakta. From Vata it goes to Vasarakta. If it goes to mind, it is mental disease. That's the way Shobha makes Jara, then all the diseases becomes Vatika, then proceeds to Vasarakta in body and proceeds to mental disease in the mind. Udmado Vatavyadhi Vishesha. Mental disease is a Vatavyadhi. It's the same, it's a one progression. So you can create medicines. This is how Vaishajya Ratnavali is there. Chakradatta is a wonderful medicines are there in Chakradatta, all these things. How they made it. They did not have projects at that time. They did not have labs. They cannot make centers everywhere, make assessment. They don't do anything. But they have wonderful medicines. We don't understand they are wonderful. If you understand wonderful, you can do the same magic. Again, I'll tell you one example. Thousands of examples I can tell you. Recently, from Coimbatore, as Kunu here. What is that Louis Pasteur thing? Louis Pasteur Institute is the Kotagiri, Kunu or somewhere. A man came. He is actually working in Coimbatore in a hospital in the lab. He had a dog bite. He went to Louis Pasteur Institute and took the injection, vaccination. All the limbs have gone. Hands and legs gone. Even foot drop came. Then he was admitted somewhere here. They did a lot of treatment. They injected hormones. His breast became big. They injected steroids. He got very strong diabetes. And he was brought there in Shorno. So with laughing, this man is like that, and laughing, he told me, a dog bit me. I don't know whether it is mad or not. Sometimes it is nothing. I took 3 treatment. I got 3 diseases. With the vaccination, everything has gone. Steroid and other things, all these things. You know, he's working beautifully. Absolutely no disease. He's working beautifully. I didn't do any Vata Chikitsa to him. The only thing what I did is Podikali. What do you say for Podikali? Churna Sweda and Udvartanam. The medicine what I gave is a yoga in Chakradatam for Vata Pitta Jara. Nidigdhika Bela Rasna Prayamana Amrtayute Masura Vidale Vata Pitta Jaram Jayet. 6 medicines. If you look at that thing, it's a wonderful. Kanda Bangara that yoga. Nidigdhiga Putrichunda. Nidigdhiga Bela Rasna Prayamana Amrtayute Masura Vidala. You know where the Masura Vidala comes. When an inflammation gradually becomes Kapha, Pitta, Vata, when it becomes Vata, you can see Masura, Manjishta, Pacha, all these things come there. How is it is written, how it is arranged, that structure, that we must know. We must look like that. Just don't go for a medicine. If I tell you a medicine, when you give, it won't work. In a meeting, somebody told me, once you said this medicine is good for that, I give, there is no use. I said, if you give, it won't work. When I give, it will work. Okay. So, we must know what is it, how it is, what is the purpose, how it was made there. So, where it is suitable. Okay. So, I was telling you about this Satata Jura, giving Atolam Shariba Mustafa Thakar Virohini. Satata Jura medicine. In Ashtanga Hridaya, these are the, for Vishama Juras, there are typical medicines. So when you treat a disease, it's very chronic, you cannot heal it, then you diffuse the Jara in the concerned sources, it will definitely go. So in many skin diseases, I have tried, after purifying and giving the right medicine, if it is not going, give Padola, even psoriasis, several type of psoriasis. This, you diffuse the Jara in sources, Rakta, Dhatu, and give the medicine to. I'll tell you one, how exact is this. Once a patient developed, generally sometimes people develop multiple abscess in the armpits. No? The armpits, multiple abscess comes. This man had multiple abscess in the armpits. He went to a doctor, he took antibiotic. It was healed. But when one heals, another comes. So it was continuing. Sometimes these multiple abscesses in the armpits became very difficult. Continuous. And at last he told the doctor, this is not right, I want to heal it permanently. He said, I'll do it, give the medicine. And what he gave is the same steroid prednisolone Start with 40 mg, gradually make it to 5 mg. It is gone. It's not coming. After 6 to 9 months, he started developing 2-3 abscesses in somewhere in the body. So he again goes to the doctor, takes antibiotic. When one heals, 2 comes. 2 years he was there. Then he came to our hospital there in Omalur, Veda Hospital. There he was admitted and they give a particular treatment. There is a wonderful medicine in that hospital. It is called Visharasayana. That is given for purifying the body. Dhanvantaram Kurambu is applied. And a Nadi Sweda is given. And then this is a pill. 8 pills. You have to select the water, medicated water, and then give 8 pills dissolved in it. The patient vomits easily without any strain. After that, it stops. Then he purgates. Then it stops. Even beyond 70, you can. That's Visharasayan. Wonderful. Malayali Vaidyans made it. In Vaishajya Ratnavali, other thing, you get wonderful medicine. They were written from Andhra and Maharashtra, that area. Now here also there are such things. They gave this and started treating, but again and again it was coming. Then this man was referred to me. So what can I do? Nimbadi Kashayam, Kaishora Gulgulu, isn't it? Patola Kadrohanyadi Kashayam, Viluvadi Guliya, Purgation. It heals. And I give Kaduka Vanna to burst it. He has better medicine, Ayurvedic medicine to burst it. So he said, I will use it. So it heals, again comes. Then he said, for this I did not come to you. It should not come now. Then I said, I will stop it. Then I gave Nimbadi Kashayam, Kaishwara Gulkulu, this Satadajara medicine, Padovalam Shariba Musta Patha Kargurohi. I said, within 1 month it will be alright. Nothing happened. It started coming again and again. Now, can you say what is it? Again and again it comes. So I thought my whole theory has gone. Then I started thinking, what is the dhatu of Vidyarthi? Dushtatvam mamsa medasti sna vasrat kandarachraya. 7. Only 2. Rakta and Kandara. Only 2 are on the part of Rakta. All other is on the part of Mamsa. So I said that Padovalam Charibamsta Padagaruroni, you stop, take the next line. Padovala Nimbatriphala Murtviga Mustavaisaga. And the previous medicine, same Nimbadi and Kaishor. Just change this one line. You say, what is so big difference? After that, not a single abscess happened on his body. Even now he comes. It's years before. Single abscess happened on his body. Shows how exact is the Samhita. You should follow Shastra, not this blah blah modern. Let them do that. That's wonderful. Let them do that. But they need our help. They need our help. Mostly the patients come to me are from modern medicine. And even I talk with them. When I was in Chennai, a young man was brought to me. Very healthy, perfectly healthy young man. His problem is, he suddenly becomes unconscious. He says, if you put the cards one by one and knock the lower part, it will collapse. The same way he will go. After 5 minutes, he will come out. And he won't even remember he had an unconsciousness. He's so energetic. And he took all the treatment. When he came to me, he was taking treatment from Dr. Ramamurthy, the one and only Ramamurthy of neurology. That means the godfather of neurology in Chennai. I know him. He was treated. All the scan, everything, test, everything was saying absolutely no clue. And he was being given all sorts of medicines. Eptoin, Phenobarbital, whatever they have, small skin. And still he was falling. He came from Trichy to Chennai, was eating in a hotel, he fell in the food and washed, everything came and then came. So, I saw all the papers, absolutely no clue. So in that case, what I do usually is, I ask them to come in the evening. In Chennai, when I was in Jayendra Saraswati, in the office, I asked them to come and sit there and bring tea, something to eat, and start talking. How is the climate in your place? This and that. Just talk and don't think. Because you have absolutely no clue where you will think. When we continue like that, the physician should be like a policeman. I found only one thing. This man is over energetic. 6 o'clock in the morning, anybody will sitting leaning on the chair. He's sitting like that. Anything you ask, like shooting, he is explaining. That is not normal. This is Tikshnata of Pitta. If this is blocked, there can be Murcha. What he is having is absolutely Murcha. So I gave him Kalashagadi Kashayam, very simple thing. Kalashagadi is Lekhanam. Without heating the body, it will do Lekhanam to the block for Vayu. It's a medicine basically for Jara and Hikka. Pratiloma Vayu. Okay. Kalashagadi Kashayam? It's nothing but 642 curry leaf, Haritaki and ginger. Morning. Then 10 a.m. Drakshadi Kashaya. Evening, in big quantity, Brahmi Kritam. And a talam on the head with Lakshadi and Panchagandham. Lakshadi Tailam, Panchagandha Chudam. Not a single episode happened after that. Completely gone. Ramamurthy found me. And he said, what was that disease? So I was confused. I don't know what to tell him. He's a modern medicine person, wonderful person. How can I say blah, blah, blah to him? So I said, there's an involvement of liver. Liver was involved. Then there was a pause. He was not saying anything. 1 minute. Then he said, you mean Pitta? You mean Pitta? And he said, actually, this actually happened. So later, because he used to come to Kanchi Mutt, so then I understood. This man is a close associate of Ajanda Lakshmipati, great man of Venkatramana Ayurveda College. Ajanda Lakshmipati. His name is the Lakshmipati Institute in Chennai. Wonderful people, wonderful modern medical people, wonderful Vaidyas, both. They have done research in eye cancer, this Ajanda Lakshmipati and a team. Uktiala, I have seen the records. Wonderful things have happened in Chennai at one time. Unfortunately, everything has gone down. Now with Jayendra Saraswati is again coming up there. So this is an example, If you do correctly, if you understand correctly, it's finished. With all the modern medicines, he got a Fulbright scholarship to go to USA. He had 3 months. His father told me, we have 3 months. Can you do something to him? Just in 3 weeks, it was gone. Till now, he didn't have a single episode. There are a lot of examples like that. I think I am not speaking in the proper way. Things are going here and there. So, how this book, each word, each line, we have to take care. After this Shodhana and everything, when it comes to treatment, it starts with Mustaya Parpadam Yuktam, Mustaya Parpadam Yuktam, Shundhya Sparshaya Diva. What does it mean? It means Parpadam. Mustaya Yuktam or Shundhya Yuktam or Dusparshaya Yuktam. In fact, this is just like mathematics. Parpadam is just opposite to Jara. Only Jara. You can't do anything. For any other thing, you cannot use that. So this is an imagination that there is a perfect body and Jara is there. It can never happen. It can never happen. By the time your Srotas becomes Ushna Ruksha, you will have a lot of other things. So it's like zero. Mathematics start with zero. Sankhya start with Prakriti. Prakriti is a controversial thing. Zero is a controversial thing. These are all Maya. Maya means Aghatita Ghatana Padiyase Maya. Where opposites mix, that is Maya. The same thing Heisenberg said, start with uncertainty. The world, the manifestation starts with uncertainty. Uncertainty is Maya. What Hegel said, dialectics, two opposite things, basic two opposite things, Ushna, Ruksha, all these things, they become one. This is how you start. Prakriti is also like that. Prakriti is what is Prakriti is Guna. Isn't it? Sattva, Rajas, Tama. Complete Guna, Mahaguna. The matter is Mahaguna. It's called Gunatmika. And what is its Guna? Nirguna. Its property is Nirguna. Like that. So, Jara is, again, zero. So, you imagine a perfect body and a Jara. It's not that, but you imagine. So, this is the medicine for Padava. This is how it starts. Then, in the root there is Pitta. So, you add Usta. If the situation is Kapha, add Shundi. If the situation is Vata, Duralabha. Duralabha is the single medicine for Vata Ama. You know that? That's it. This is how each line is written. I cannot explain it here. Every line you say is next possibility. So what is the medicine? Next possibility. What is the medicine? It comes like that. And then they come to Vata Jara, Pitta Jara, Kapha Jara. Then Vata Kapha Pitta, Vata Kapha, like that. In between you can see a medicine for Shrota Shodhana, a Shodhana medicine. This is very important because it's like Varana. You have to clear, then Shamana, then Brahmana. So everywhere you have this. These things you can use in many places because in all disease conditions you come to these Jara conditions where when you try to do Shrota Shodhana, the Shrotas will be damaged. So you can select from here. At last it comes to Sannipada. When it comes to Sannipada, it's not three. It's not taken as Vata Pitta Kapha. It is taken as hot and cold. You can see the treatment is for Vata Kapha and Vata Pitta. Okay, Vata Pitta Sannipadam comes. So Madhoga Pushpamurdviga, that yoga is there. There it is finished. Then, it's what I say, each word and line should be very carefully learned. There are people who learn Jara Chikitsa, no? There are people here. Tell me, what's the meaning of this? Vata Pitta Jara, the last is Madhoga Pushpamurdviga, Trayamana Parushakam, Soshira Tikta Tripala, Kashmiriam, Kalpaye Dhimam. It's a beautiful yoga, very difficult to get. Madhoga Pushpa is very difficult to get. Drakshadi is wonderful. This is next to Drakshadi. Madhoga Pushpa. Leptospirosis, if we get this, it will be a wonderful drug. But unfortunately, it is very difficult to collect them. So this is the last medicine. Then, you have learned this. Can you tell me? After that he says, Jatyamalaga Mustani Tadut Dhanvayavashakam. Why? There's one line. In some books, they have just discarded it. Because they don't know what is it. That's the most wonderful thing in that. You know, in all the diseases, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Samsarga, Sannipada, finished. Then you can see in the very strong diseases, Sannipada diseases like Prameha, he will say a single drug. Kanmada for Prameha. In Pandu, in such things, there is Vasishta Leham, like that. One thing. You give it in, with Patya, you give it in increasing quantities. So you can smear the body and remove the disease. Such techniques. But in other things, it stopped with Sannipata. Here, after stopping with Sannipata, he says, Jatyamraka Mustani Kadud Dhanaya Vachuga. You know what is this? This Jara is always there. Jara is a truth. You live with Arogyam. Arogyam is comparative. So Anarogyam is always there. Okay. Arogyam is the three doshas which keep. And what is the other? There is one more thing. That is always with it. What is that? Whatever is Shida Ruksha. These are the most basic two things, Shida Ruksha. Then, Ushna, Snigdha. Two. Then you take the combinations of this. Either Ruksha, Ushna, Snigdha Shita, oh, okay. This we cannot change. This is the Prakriti. In the nature it is like that. You cannot change. There's one more thing, you cannot change it. Isn't it? You cannot just leave it. You do something, you cannot take away the other from that. It is always there. So you say the body started with Prakriti, isn't it? Prakriti nama janma maranantarala bhavini garbha avakranti samaye janita. When the zygote became zygote, the minute innumerable changes in that, the mitosis, makes a pattern, permanent pattern. Over and above that, the dhatus are developed. That pattern is Prakriti. So, avakranti samaye janita. Before you happen, not before you happen, but in the making of you, Prakriti was established. And it is still that. Okay. And you say dosha Prakriti. And what is the dosha? You say these are the doshas. Then what is this? You cannot avoid that. It is also that. Jara. This is the Jara. Janmadeyor mohamaya. Jara is always there. When you take birth, Jara is more predominant than all these three. Jvarita, you become. When you die, Jara overtakes the whole Prakriti. And Jvarita, you die. Jara is Ojo Ashana. All the minutest snigdhata which keeps the minute particles together is burned. And they go vipu. Vata, Vayu goes vipu. It's not Latin now. Goes vipu. Jara takes over all these things. Okay. And whenever you have a disease, in the concerned srotas in that part, Jara has taken over Vata Pitta Kapha. And in that area, the reflections from that area causing disease. If you correct the srotas, finished. So Jara is always there. Health is suppressing Jara. Jara is the Prakriti of diseases. As Vata Pitta Kapha is the Prakriti of the healthy dhatus. Same. Anything See the description of Jara. ജ്വരത്തിനെ പറ്റി ജ്വരോ രോഗപതി പാപ്മ മൃത്യു ഓജോശനോ അന്തക ജന്മാദയോർ മോഹമയ. What is moha? Moha means you cannot understand anything. Okay, so the theory is when a person dies after Sannipada Jara, he describes that death. Death means in severe conditions you can use that medicine. I have done it and got result also. Even recently I have done. Death is the Jara affects the 3 Roga Margas. First Roga Marga is the Dhatu, isn't it? What is the Roga Marga? Man is a big Srotas. A man stands and tilts his head like that. So mouth is there from rectum, the tube, Mahasrotas. Rim is the body. That rim is the Yogamarga, first Yogamarga, Bahya Yogamarga. That tube, mouth to rectum, mouth to anus, is the second Yogamarga, Koshta. And the nerve spread, brain, 3 marmas. It's not actually brain, the area, head. Hridaya is not heart, Hridaya, the area. Pasti, the area, not kidney.